Guys, let's talk about protein on keto, carnivore, and keto omnivore. It should be ketogenic, 200 grams of fat. If you have a hard time taking in the 200 grams of fat, you might have a gallbladder problem or leaky gut. We have to figure that out, right? You can't use coconut oil and olive oil for your fats. It just is not ketogenic. And you either are burning fat through ketones or you're burning carbs, carb burner. And believe it or not, on carnivore, you could actually eat carbs from your bicep. I've done many videos about this, how your body can go into gluconeogenesis when you don't have enough stored glycogen or you're not using ketones. And the carnivore community doesn't talk about that. And the keto community, keto omnivore with plants, does not talk about that. The junk food, the coffee, the cheese, the nuts, the this, the that, the staying up too late, the working out too hard, working out at night. All of these things can affect your endocrine system and just crash it. So with protein, I'm always telling you this, men under 100 grams of protein, right? Under 100. Women, the ranges are 45 to 60, depending on your activity level, your age, your lean mass. All of this matters. Your stomach acid levels dependent on how much protein you eat. In a sitting, if you eat too much protein, you can't break that down. Instantly, you're having issues with your digestive system. And we have to consider the uric acid and purines. People have got a hard time with uric acid and purines and kidney issues on carnivore or keto carnivore or keto omnivore, because people were eating tons of protein on keto omnivore as well. Be very careful for you guys. Today's a be careful day. And my next videos are solutions on how to get the fat in, how to look for gallbladder disease, how to deal with your hypochlorhydria. So when you do break down your proteins, how to take down your insulin, become insulin sensitive, so you don't need a lot of protein to grow muscle. To learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. I have a keto course that's amazing. I also do consultations at stephanieperson.com. Free content at Stephanie Ketogenic. Watch the journey of Carnivore Yogi. On her, I'm coaching her and we're trying to get her blood sugar down, because that's a whole nother video on how blood sugar high store fat, water retention, fluid retention, a lot of stuff that men don't understand, but even men don't even understand in their own bodies, estrogen dominance, poor sleep. But keep that protein moderate to low and keep that fat over 200 and amount. Oh yeah, Instagram is Stephanie Ketogenic and Facebook is Stephanie the Business Person, and my website stephanieperson.com. Now I gotta go live on my keto course, carnivore and omnivore and low carb high fat page. Deuces.